So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Heluuuur, and you guys, I'm so excited for this video. I got some products from Born Pretty. I really want to thank them. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for all the products. I really love them. In this video I will tell you everything about the products. I also got a 20% off coupon code for you guys. It's Infinity20. I will put it somewhere in the screen and also in the description box below, so you can save some coins. And yeah, you guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply gel polish over acrylic or on acrylic. I don't know. I'm going to show you how you can apply gel polish on top of acrylic. So yeah, you guys, before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, my social media, you know, all the good stuff. Show me some love and then come back and watch this video. So I've received these pretty butterfly stickers. You will get a lot of them. Pretty. All of these colors came in one package. And yeah, I've also got this spray bottle. I will put alcohol in it to spray on the nails. I've also got this beautiful dipping powder. It's like a gray color, gray bluish kind of color. It's a 3-in-1 dipping powder, but I will use it as a acrylic. I think my opinion is that it's a little bit too runny for me. So what I will do is I will just mix it with a little bit of clear acrylic, and then it will apply perfectly. So yeah, this is the color. It's like a gray bluish. I think it's really pretty nice. I like the color and the pigment of the acrylic. I just like it. So here you can see the color. It's pretty. I like it. So I also got this cute little lamp. I think it's pretty handy to use when you like have to flash cure something, or if you like apply crystals on one nail and you want to like just flash cure it so the crystals don't like move. You can use that. It's pretty small, handy, yeah, for like flash curing. And I've also got this gel polish color that I'm going to use in this video. It's in a cute box and in this cute bottle. I've also got these cuticle scissors. I think the color is pretty. They are really sharp, nice, like I like them to be. I also got these cuticle nippers, perfect to get into the cuticle to get those excess skin off. And I've also got this cuticle pusher. I like this color. I just like them. They are so beautiful. And I think the quality is just so good for the price. The price is so cheap, but the quality is so good. You guys, I'm 100% honest with you. I really will recommend these products. Otherwise, I won't be using them in my videos. So yeah, I will really recommend these products. I will put everything that I've got from them in the description box below, and also the coupon code so you can save some coins. So yeah. Now I'm just clipping the nails that I've already glued on, I mean. And I'm making like a coffin shape, and I have like these flat clippers. I don't know where I've got these from, but I always like to use these flat clippers to get the coffin shape at the sides. You will just have to clip at the sides like in like the shape that you want them to be, and you will have like these straight sides. So that's why I like these clippers. And then I'm filing them with my e-file, I mean my hand file, and to perfect the coffin shape. So I filled the spray bottle with some 70% alcohol, and now I'm spraying. Now I'm using the cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles. I really like the edge of the cuticle pusher because sometimes you will get those sharp edges and I don't like that. But this one isn't sharp at all and it's like really sturdy. So yeah, I really like this one and I will be using it a lot. I know that for sure. So yeah, I'm spraying the alcohol so it can loose up the cuticle for me before pushing, and make sure you do this gently because you can easily hurt your client. And next I'm using my sanding band on low speed to get the excess cuticle off at the cuticle area, and also to blend in the nail tips and also to get the natural shine off the nails. So now I'm getting the excess cuticles off. Make sure you be really careful when you're doing this step because it looks easy but it isn't. You really have to practice, and you can easily cut your client's cuticle off too much. So make sure you be really gentle with this part, and this scissor is really sharp. For professionals it's a really good thing, but for beginners you really have to be careful. So yeah, you guys, be careful when you're doing this step. Just cut little by little. If you think you can cut more, you will go in and you will cut more, but don't go ahead and cut everything off at the first time, okay? So yeah. And now I'm going in with the cuticle nippers to get the excess cuticle off that I couldn't get off with these scissors. So next I'm using 2 coats of my super bond, and as you guys know, I don't have my web shop at the moment, so I don't have a link for you guys for the super bond, so I'm sorry for that. And now I'm going to apply the clear acrylic. So let me tell you, when you are going to do a overlay with gel polish on top of acrylic, this is the most important step to get that flawless and clean look, you guys. Because let me tell you, if you have a bumpy, rough surface of acrylic, you will see everything in the gel polish. So make sure your application is right and at the cuticle area, you guys. So the cuticle nipper and the cuticle scissors are perfect for this kind of stuff, because you really need to have a clean cuticle area to really get that clear acrylic in the cuticle area and make it as flat as you can at the cuticle area. Because if you make it too thick, you will see that obviously when you're going to apply your gel polish. So as you can see, I'm using my tip of my brush to like press, push that into the cuticle area to make it as flat as possible. You guys, let me tell you again, gel polish, you will see everything. So make sure your application when you're going to do a gel overlay is key. Let me tell you. So make sure you get that application right, and especially at the cuticle area. So go ahead, check the cuticle nippers and scissors out. I will put them in the description box below so you can get a clean cuticle area to apply the gel polish afterwards. And if you're still here watching with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comments below by commenting a purple hearted emoji so I know that you're still here. And if you're still here but you're not subscribed yet, baby girl, go ahead on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you very much. And also the word that I'm going to learn you guys today from my language Papiamento, which is the language from Curacao, will be lila. And lila means purple. Alright? And this is how the nails look after application. And next I'm going in with my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails and to get the perfect shape. I will put the link of the video on how I do my shaping and filing with my e-file in the description box below, so you can go ahead and watch that video. And make sure you file this perfectly, because like I said before, you will see everything underneath your gel polish. So make sure you make these nails as smooth as you can. All right. And next I'm going in with my tapered bit, and I can't stress enough, you guys, make sure you don't get too much of the acrylic off, otherwise you will see that underneath the gel polish. So now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. So I've buffed the nails to make the surface as smooth as I can, and I've cleaned the nails with some alcohol and a little manicure brush. And next I'm using this beautiful purple bluish gel polish color. I just like them. I like the consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too runny, and I think the coverage, girls, I just couldn't believe the coverage. Normally on all the gel polish I use, I always have to do 2 layers, but on this gel polish I only had to do it once, and that's perfect because gel polish can always like kind of ruin your shape, because you always have to do 2 coats and also the gel top coat. So sometimes the gel polish can ruin your sharp shape. So that's why I really like this gel polish, because it's really opaque. It's really, the coverage is so high. So yeah, I like it. I would love to get more of these colors. I will get more of these colors. I love it. So yeah, let me tell you how to get the perfect application with your gel polish. So as you can see, I always like to start in the middle. I like to start applying the gel polish at the tip of the nails, and then I'm working my way in, to the cuticle area. I'm going to show you that now. So yeah, I'm using the gel polish I'm applying the gel polish at the middle, and now I'm getting like into the cuticle area and at the sides. So you will like work your way into the cuticle area and push as far as you can, not too far so it won't run into your cuticle area, because let me tell you, when this gel polish run into your cuticle area, you will ruin the whole thing. You will have to, or personally, I get the whole gel polish thing off and start again. Sorry, I will start again. As you could see before, I've used the other side of the cuticle pusher to get a small amount of gel polish off. You can also do that, but if you get a lot of gel polish into the cuticle area, just start over, okay? Just start over, because when you're going to try to fix it, you will just get it worse. So try to just get it off and start over again. You don't have to hurry with this kind of things. Just take your time and do it as neat as you can, okay? So after one coat of gel polish, I've cured it under my lamp for like 2 minutes, so I know that the gel polish is cured properly. And always make sure you don't apply a thick layer of gel polish, because you will get wrinkling and you don't want that. So make sure you apply a thin layer. And as I've said before, this gel polish is very opaque, so you just have to use one thin layer and you will have a full coverage. I have a full coverage with this acrylic. I'm so impressed, and it's so cheap. It's I think $3.99. Very cheap. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. They have like every color. Pretty. I like it. I really like the consistency of this gel polish. And after I've applied the gel top coat, I will cure it also for 2 minutes under my lamp. So I have applied some cuticle oil, and you guys, look how pretty. I'm so in love with this gel polish. I really am. I will 100% recommend you guys this gel polish. So yeah, you guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have liked this video. I really hope you have learned something. Don't forget to check out Born Pretty's website. I have everything in the description box below for you guys, so you can go ahead and check them out. And if you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because I think it's a shame. And yeah, turn on the post notification bell so you're the first one to know when I post it next time. Share this video with everybody, with your family, friends, boyfriend, girlfriend, you know. So yeah, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.